What's good, YouTube? Today I'm back with another video. I'm gonna try to break the record time for the fastest foot-long turkey sandwich made here at Subway. The record time is a minute and 10 seconds. So I'm gonna see if I got what it takes to beat that time. So let's go. And before I start this video, the video is already started. But this is the list right here. So I gotta make a foot-long turkey, lettuce, banana pepper, tomato, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, and oil and vinegar. So let's get it, man. I got my timer with me. So you know we gotta go under a minute and 10 seconds. So 3, 2, 1. "49 seconds. 49 seconds.
Shit.
Hey, clap it up, clap it up. Keep recording. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. Hey, man, you know. Oh yeah, come get that sandwich too. Man, I'm telling you, it was 49 seconds, man. The record is a minute and 10 seconds. I feel pretty special, man. So this goes to Subway. That y'all gotta invite me to the competition, cause I just destroyed that record for the fastest full-on turkey sandwich made by Subway. This junk look good. Let me get the camera, man. What do you think? What do you think?
I don't know. I gotta taste it.
Yeah, go ahead, taste it.
It tastes good too, man.
You know, just come get the test. Give me a little yam.
Oh yeah, well, how it tastes. How it tastes.
Oh my God. It's like I'm in another world. Alright guys, I'm gonna like to end this video. Thank you for taking your time and watching this video. Hey man, I'm gonna get active. I'm gonna get active on this channel. We only started, man. I want to give a big shout out to my guy, Kavon, behind the camera.
Yeah.
You know, was holding it down. Hold on. Talk to him, Kavon. Talk to him.
Everything is gonna be in the
Link below.
You know.
Link below. I gotta end it now. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. And remember, who the fastest Subway sandwich is? Me. If you want a foot-long sandwich, come to Subway on Constitution Avenue. Get the. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm gonna thank you for watching this video. And we out.